Alright guys, so we're playing Subway Surfer on the Samsung Galaxy M51. This is running on the Snapdragon 730G. There's a frame rate graph over there. And we have CPU percentage, GPU percentage, and temperature as well. Because this is a Samsung phone, we can install Samsung's PerfZ diagnostic benchmarking device software. I don't know why the top bar seems to keep spawning on me, coming down, but I don't know. Maybe it's just part of the software. Oh, maybe I'm swiping. Swipe or no swiping. Maybe I'm swiping from the side of the screen, that's why it's triggering. Very smooth. I don't think we've dropped any frames in the entire game. Two X. Very enjoyable at 60 FPS, you know. Whee. Let it run a couple more seconds here. Maybe 20 more seconds. Whee. Whoa, whoa! Alright, there we go. So what we can do now is close the game. Go to launch the Game Booster settings. And then we'll see the performance of Subway Surfers. And maybe. So, as you can see, frame rate graph on top there. No dips at all. Frame rate, solid. Solid. All of the gameplay, all of the times I've been playing, all of the gameplay is solid 60 FPS, so no problem there.